free isn't always free. There is always a benefit hidden inside it. You see, the internet we're using isn't actually free. Big brother companies are using our data and sometimes selling them to telemarketers. Hey, I've got a few options for you. You take the blue pill and you browse the internet for free and believe whatever you want to believe. And you take the red pill and stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. Every time you click the I accept button, you are giving permission to a company to use your data. They collect all your information you do on that website or that app and use that data to make databases. You might be thinking that these websites are not taking any kinds of personal information, so they cannot be traced back to you, right? Wrong. Well, a lot of companies use same kind of trackers in their websites to track your activities. So when these trackers create those databases, even if they don't have your personal identifications, they can be traced back to you by linking some database, kind of what Google does. So yeah, they can be traced back to you even without your personal identifications. They actually do have your IP address and stuff, so it's very easy to track you down. So what can actually go wrong if they get your data? If a well-reputed company have your data, then there's no harm actually, because a company won't destroy its reputation by doing some harm to their users. So yeah, but if you accidentally give your information to a shady website or shady company, they can sell your information to the black market, and that can be used to frame you, like literally frame you for something you have never done. So how can we browse the web freely and being anonymous? Well, at the moment you cannot pay the websites to stop tracking you, so yeah. First of all, what I actually do is I installed Ghostery in my Google Chrome. It's a plugin, you can find it in the Google Chrome extension store. So it actually blocks the trackers. Secondly, you can use a VPN. A well-reputed VPN like TunnelBear or OpenVPN, they don't keep the logs of your data, what kind of websites you are looking into and stuff, so you're safe there. Well, another option is you can start using Tor. Tor is an open source project which enables you to anonymously browse the internet. It's actually very slow, so you wouldn't like that, I guess. But if you were interested, you can go check that out. Actually, Tor was developed by the US Navy for their internal communications and stuff. So as it is an open source project, everybody can use it now. Journalists use it, government employees use it, researchers use it for communication so that their information is not tracked. Tor is actually very simple. It has a network of computers, so when you use Tor, then your information is being redirected to a lot of computers, then there's an exit point, then that data you want to send to a specific computer or to a specific website, the data goes out of that exit to the internet. So basically it is very hard to track you, but it can be tracked by FBIs and CIAs if you're doing bad things. But I guess a website won't go that road to track you down in a Tor, because it's very complicated. But there is a problem. The thing is, Tor doesn't actually encrypt your data, so you're not that safe. But if you're using a VPN and a Tor, the VPN will encrypt your data and the Tor will just redirect that. Plus, if you're using HTTPS, that SSL protocol I talked about in another video, you can go check that out if you want. So it's a very old video, by the way. If you're using any free cloud services, then I don't know what you're doing in life. I don't actually trust any company's free things, because free isn't always free, like I said. Maybe, I don't know, maybe the data you're uploading to them, they're using those to teach their AI and stuff. I'm talking about you, Google. But that isn't actually published in the web, so if you're doing literally nothing, if you have your family photos in Google Drive, then it's okay. But if you have some private informations and some very confidential data, get that out of there right now. It's very unsafe. Or maybe you can just encrypt them and upload that. It's your choice. I actually use open source cloud software named OwnCloud, and I have my own server where I store my data, and I always encrypt them. So yeah, so I just taught you how to be anonymous in the internet, but all of these have some flaws, and if you're doing something bad, you will always get caught. So yeah, and please don't do anything bad with these informations, and please be safe, because the internet is a very bad place if your information goes to a very bad person. So yeah, it actually depends on whom you're giving your informations to. So guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and comment down below if you have anything to say. You can ask me some questions in my Facebook page, AceCube. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do have a YouTube channel, and thank you. Peace.